Hello, my name is Christy Borders or Christina, and this is my second to last class. I just have the capstone after this. I am a mom of three girls that are 7, 9, and 11. Just recently moved to Carrollton, Texas, right outside of Plano. I work for Frito-Lay at our headquarters. I've been with the company for on my seventh year, and I just took a headquarters role in the commercialization um, silo of our growth office. So when it comes to um, project management, that's pretty much all that I do in my job, which before I was a sales manager. So this is the perfect timing for this class. For my job, I'm basically called commercialization analyst. So I'm in charge of the end-to-end process for all of our business proposals. So if any for any pricing updates that we have, for any specific like sustainability projects or portfolio projects that we have, I am in charge of writing the proposal and then making sure that it moves along from every single part from like beginning to end. So um, project management is really key for me. I'm just going to love it. I'll just be a sponge during this entire class so that I can do my job better. I just hope to learn how to do it more efficiently. Any tips and tricks of, um, you know, how to, yeah, what to learn, what to expect, I'm hoping to get out of it. But when I am not doing school or work, I just moved from Oregon, so quite the move this summer. I've only been here for about 6 weeks, but it's been great. Much warmer here than in Oregon, but I am from the Pac Northwest, so it's a huge change. And I do compete for USA Track and Field in the Masters Division. I was a track athlete in college, and so I just picked it back up again, and I've been doing it for about 5 years, and I love it. And so I like to stay in shape, and I am a total, numbers analyst type of nerd, and just I love football. So football season right now is just great. I'm gonna go to the Cowboys game on Sunday. So that's all that I got. Trying to think what else. I think that's it. Yep. So hope you all. I'm excited to work with you, and have a great day.